Okay, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're over at Dave's house. Hey, Dave, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good. So I asked Dave, as I do most of our customers, if you give us a little feedback here. We've just finished up a remodel, and the remodel is a brand new kitchen. And you can see pictures online of the before, but it was an old galley kitchen with a full wall that went here, and you can see the brand new kitchen here. But really what I want to focus on is give you an opportunity to hear from a homeowner that we've done work for. And you know, the big challenge is when you're looking to hire somebody is whether or not you have found the right contractor. So I'm going to ask Dave here, and he can respond candidly here. We've been working here at your house now for, I think, what, a month and a half, something like that? About 2 months. And I guess just the general question is, one, why did you select us in the first place? And two, as a follow-on question, what's your experience been in working with Golden Gate Enterprises, and more importantly, the guys that have been here doing the work?
Sure. So I'm kind of a technical guy, and I fully vetted Paul and his company, and Better Business Bureau, contractor's license, and so forth. And I looked at some of the testimonials and some of the project histories that he provided me, and it all panned out really well. And so we're here in the finishing stages, and I have nothing but just kudos for Paul and his crew. Steve and Felipe have done a magnificent job here. They had some excellent suggestions for us, some of which we took, some of which we decided to go our own way. But in the end, my wife and I are just extremely happy with the end result. This is just 1,000% better than what it was before, and it exceeds our expectations.
Those are very nice comments. It really is gratifying to hear that. So I'll ask you the obvious. A, would you hire us again for another project? And B, would you recommend us to friends and family?
Absolutely, 100%.
Thanks, Dave. Appreciate it very much.
Sure. Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.